You may have already heard about MEGAMOD for the ultimate pre-packaged modular tool set for your shop or garage, and now you can easily take that with you to the job site. GEARWRENCH just launched a heavy-duty portable rolling tool case GWMP 100 to make your MEGAMOD mobile. This new rolling case is built to withstand even the toughest of job conditions with its military-grade exterior. It's resistant to dust, chemicals, humidity, and even harsh temperatures. It also features self-oiling, free-running wheels, and stainless steel padlock protectors. The case comes with built-in foam padding, along with 2 extra foam pieces that you can lay on top of your trays to ensure your tools aren't getting too wild on the ride. There are also 4 durable trays with additional built-in foam protectors. The rolling case is compatible with all GEARWRENCH modular sets, MEGAMODs, and GSX storage systems, meaning that you can easily keep up with your current collection, then roll it out with you wherever you need it to go. Each included tray in the case is wide enough to hold 2 small GEARWRENCH modular sets or 1 large modular set, so there are a ton of different variations you can create. Alright, so building out your own dream mobile MEGAMOD, we have 2 small trays and 3 large trays that will go into our setup. With the modular sets, all the foam in the trays are pre-cut so the tool fits perfectly into it without any risk of falling out. They also have size markings so it's easy to identify which tools and accessories are the ones you need. Starting with the 2 small trays, we offer a plier set GWM SPLR01 and a ratchet and micro bit set GWM SMB SO1. The plier set comes with 5 different pliers and has linesman, long nose, diagonal, you get the idea. The ratchet and micro bit set comes with a slim head ratchet and a magnetic bit holder screwdriver handle, along with various sizes of screwdriver bits and sockets. Moving on to our next layer, we have a large tray with combination ratchet wrenches and a hex key set, 86528. This set includes 12 90-tooth 12-point metric combo wrenches that range from 8mm to 19mm, 10 90-tooth 12-point SAE wrenches ranging from 1/4 inch to 13/16 of an inch, and then 22 long arm hex keys. Our third tray is a modular mechanics tool set, 86529. This one is an 83-piece set, so it's jam-packed with all kinds of tools and accessories. You've got metric sockets, SAE sockets, adapters, ratchets, you name it. If you can name it, this set has it. The last tray we use is a ratchet and bolt biter socket set GWM SBB SO2. This set includes 1 ratchet, 1 drive extension, 2 drive M adapters, 4 12-point long pattern combination wrenches with ranges from 11mm to 12mm, and also 16 bolt biter nut extractors and drivers ranging from 7mm to 13mm. Now this is just our recommendation for an all-encompassing mobile MEGAMOD build, but GEARWRENCH came out with a multitude of different sets you can choose from depending on your needs. They even have extra small and medium inserts as well, so you can get real crazy with the mix of tools you want. There's more information on this guy and pricing in the links below, and get into the comments and let me know what your MEGAMOD build is. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. And a magnetic... Mwah.